Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we're looking at a brand new charging solution from Anker called the Anker Nano. Now Anker were kind enough to sponsor this video, so everything in this video is linked in that description down below, and they also sent me over this really awesome package containing their brand new Nano charger plus some other accessories. Now with the news that the new iPhone 12 isn't going to be coming with an actual power adapter and just a cable, that had me thinking. Now for a lot of people they're going to have an older iPhone charger because over that last 8 years they've used the same 5-watt charger with a standard USB-A port on one side and then Lightning on the other. However, although it was announced it won't have a power adapter in the box, the cable that it comes with is going to be Lightning to USB-C, which I don't think a lot of people actually have just lying around, so it's not the best solution from Apple. And that's why Anker Nano comes into play. What you're going to have here is a charger that is the same size as an Apple charger, but is 3 times faster than the original iPhone's 5-watt charger, delivering around 20 watts of power or 3 times faster charge than a normal standard Apple charge brick. So first off we have what you get in the actual box itself. Now the first thing that it's going to show you front and center is the 3 times faster information compared to your old charger. So as you can see here, charging for around 30 minutes with the Anker Nano is going to get you around 53% battery from zero. Now if you're going to be using the included 5-watt charger for an older iPhone, you're going to be getting around 17%, so you can see that that is a massive increase. You're also going to get some user manuals and a little bit of paperwork as well, and then next up we do have a little bit more information with regards to what it can actually charge, which is basically anything with a USB-C port, or in this case you can also use the included USB-C to Lightning cable. So that's going to allow you to charge the newer and older iPads, AirPods, or even a MacBook Air, and of course your Apple Watch as well, which is really awesome to see an all-in-one charging solution. Now keep in mind guys that the package that I've got here isn't a retail package, so everything in here from the top charger, bottom charger and also the 2 cables is going to be sold separately, but front and center we do have the Anker Nano, which is the star of the show. So the actual charge brick itself is only around 1 inch thick, so it is incredibly small, and like I mentioned, it's going to charge your iPhone around 3 times faster than your included 5-watt charger that you may have lying around. Now it also charges everything fast. It has the exclusive Power IQ 3.0, which optimizes charging speeds for virtually any mobile device, iPhones, Samsung, OnePlus, plus many more. And then next up we have the USBC Charger, which is a 60-watt dual charger. Now this is also going to come with different attachments, so whether in the UK, US or in Europe, you're going to have the charger that you need. And again, this is going to be able to charge those larger devices as well, like a MacBook, iPad Pro or your iPhone multiple times, and in general it's got a really nice design to it. It is very Apple-esque in regards to the white plastic finish as you can see here, and as I mentioned you can just pop off the end adapter here to basically get any adapter that you need for if you're traveling around out and about. Well, maybe not at the moment, but hopefully one day you'll be able to take advantage of those different adapters for when you're out and about in different countries or regions. And then next up we're going to have the first of 2 cables, and that is going to be the USB-C to Lightning cable. Now this one here is going to be around 6 foot long. It's a really nice silver design, and it is also a fabric cable, which I'm a massive fan of, and you also have those chrome accents at either end as well. Now it is also going to be MFI certified, so what that means is with some of those cheap and nasty chargers, once you plug them into your iPhone it will bring up a slight error message, maybe advising you not to use that charger or cable, whereas this one, everything's all certified, not a problem at all, so it's going to work with anything Lightning, whether that's an older iPhone, iPad, or even your AirPods for example. Everything's going to charge perfectly fine with this cable. However, the one that I'm really interested in and the one that I'm going to be using the most is just going to be the standard USB-C to USB-C charger. And the main reason for that is everything that I currently use in regards to my phone, tablet and also my wireless headphones is going to be USB Type-C. So again, for me, having one cable that I can use to charge everything with this really fast charging power brick is essential for when I'm out and about, or even just while I'm at home. And then at the very bottom of the box we do also have then a separate adapter, which like I mentioned can be used for that dual port charger. So again, if you're going to be in the UK or US, it's very simple to use. So as you can see here, I've got the US brick on there now. You can just slide it off, I don't really need that one, and then you can get the UK adapter, snap it into place and you're all set and ready to go. And like I mentioned, everything is going to be in the description below, so the USB-C to C cable, C to Lightning cable, the Anker Nano, and also that dual port charger as well, all in the description down below. Now plugging it into my OnePlus 7T, you can see here that it does say that it is charging rapidly, and for me I was actually able to get my OnePlus 7T from 0% to this 83% in around 45 minutes, which is pretty incredible for such a small charging brick. And that's going to do it guys for this video. Now if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give a thumbs up down below. If you've got any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. Me and Anker are going to be teaming up again for some really awesome videos coming up, so if you're not already subscribed, now's a great time to do so, and once you're subscribed, turn on the notification bell so you're notified anytime that I post a new video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.